Hello and welcome to Elephant English Podcast. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 25 difficult words to pronounce in English for English learners. Architecture. The architecture in Barcelona was amazing. Tough. This question is tough. It isn't easy to answer. Schedule. I have a fixed schedule at work. Mortgage. I will pay off my mortgage in 20 years. Awkward. The situation was awkward and I didn't know what to say. Squirrel. There was a squirrel climbing up the tree. Audience. The audience laughed when the comedian told a joke. Cupboard. There is not enough space in my kitchen cupboards. Scissors. I need some scissors to cut this piece of paper. Whole. You are my favorite person in the whole world. Fiancé. I would like to introduce you to my fiancé, David. Pleasant. They are a pleasant couple and we enjoy spending time with them. Recipe. I am following a recipe to make this dish. Entrepreneur. He is an entrepreneur that has great ideas. Coincidence. It is a coincidence that we were both at the supermarket at the same time. Island. I would like to live on an island with nice beaches. Ballet. I used to do ballet when I was a child. Aisle. The bread is on the same aisle as the cakes. Weird. Is it weird that I like being alone? Wardrobe. I need a bigger wardrobe for all my clothes. Egg yolk. We will need 2 egg yolks for this recipe. Receipt. You need to show the receipt to return the product. Pneumonia. She is in hospital because she has pneumonia. Almond. Have you ever tried almond milk? Fluorescent. I don't like fluorescent colours. I prefer pastel ones. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of these types of videos. Thank you and I'll see you in the next one.